Hello everyone, myself NJ Saikya. Welcome to our channel NJP Coaching. Today I am going to discuss a few multiple choice questions of the chapter Real Number of Class 10 General Maths under both SEBA and CBSE. আজি আমি কেইটামান বহুবিকল্পী প্ৰশ্ন ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰ চেপ্টাৰটোৰ এই অধ্যায়টো প্ৰথম অধ্যায় ক্লাস 10 ৰ সাধাৰণ গণিতৰ আৰু এই অধ্যায়টো সেবা আৰু CBSE দুইটা বোৰ্ডৰে অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত। Okay, let's start the questions. First question, this question came in SSLC 2023. এই বছর যি রিজাল্ট উলাও হৈ আছে 30 তাৰিখে most probably ৰিজাল্ট দিব SSLC আৰু তেওঁলোকে যিখন আসাম বোৰ্ডৰ আন্ডাৰত মানে সেবাৰ আন্ডাৰত যি সকলে পৰীক্ষা দিছিলে তেওঁলোকে এটো জানে maximum শুদ্ধ কৰিছে বুলি ভাবিছো। The first question, and regarding the first topic, Euclidsdivisionlemma. Euclidsdivisionlemma states that if A and B are any two positive integers, then there exists unique integers Q and R such that means we have to know the mathematical condition. Given two positive integers A and B, there exists unique integers Q and R satisfying the relation. So what is the relation and what is the condition? So A and B are two positive integers. E by for all these options, A is greater than B. So if we divide A by B, we will get a quotient and we will get a remainder. Now we have to relate this. How we have to relate? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And this remainder sometimes it may be 0, but always less than the divisor. So what is the condition? 0 less than equal R less than B. So in which option? A equal BQ plus R, 0 less than equal R less than B. Option C. Option C is the right answer. Very simple question. On the first page it is mentioned. Euclidsdivisionlemma. A আৰু B দুটা যদি ধনাত্মক সংখ্যা হয়, ধনাত্মক অখণ্ড সংখ্যা যদি হয়, তেতিয়া হলে Q আৰু R দুটা ইউনিক অখণ্ড সংখ্যা থাকিব যাতে আমি এই ডিভিজনৰ যেটো ভাজ্য ইকুয়াল ভাজক ইনটু ভাগফল প্লাস বাকি বা ভাগে আমি এই ৰিলেশনটো লিখিব লাগে আৰু সদায় ৰিমাইন্ডাৰ বা ভাগফল সদায় ডিভিজৰতকে সৰু less than B, and it always less than B. Sometimes it is greater than 0 and sometimes equal 0. So 0 less than equal R less than B. C is the right answer. Next. Okay. This question also came in SSLC 2023. A question to 2023 SSLC পৰীক্ষাত আহিছিলে। তো পৰীক্ষাৰ ম্যাথছ পৰীক্ষাৰ শেষতে কোনোবাই ফোনো কৰিছে, কোনোবাই কুৱেশ্যনটো ৰং কৰিছে, কুৱেশ্যনটো কাৰবাৰ ৰং হৈছে। So the number of decimal places after which the decimal expansion of the rational number this one will terminate. Okay, this is a rational number. 4 cube by 2 to the power 4 into 5 cube. এই পৰিমেয় সংখ্যাটো দশমিক প্ৰসাৰণৰ দশমিক স্থানৰ কিমানটা স্থানৰ পিছত পৰিসমাপ্তি ঘটিব, টাৰ্মিনেট হ'ব, কিমানটা স্থানৰ পিছত টাৰ্মিনেট হ'ব সাপোজ আমি just 7/2 one simple one I am saying 7/2 is 3.5 that means after one decimal place it terminates. If I write 7/4 4 on the 4 7 5 this number terminates after 2 decimal places 4 and it terminates after 2 decimal places. Now without doing actual division we have to say after how many places a fraction will terminate. First point is that a fraction should be terminated. There is a condition in denominator only factors 2 and 5 should be there. If the denominator can be expressed as the product of 2 and 5 only, then we can say that fraction will terminate. Otherwise, if we write here with the denominator, if we write another factor 3, 7, 11, etc., but that will not terminate. That will not terminate. Now, this is a terminating decimal because two types of factors are there, 2 and 5. Okay. Always, what we have to do? First, we have to notice that can it be cancelled? আমি a fraction to cancel কৰিব পাৰো নেকি? 4 cube by 2 to the power 4 into 5 cube cancel কৰিব পাৰো নেকি? Obviously পাৰো. কিমান পাৰিম? 4 cube, so 2 square cube, and that will become 2 to the power 6, and this is 2 to the power 4 into 5 cube. 4 cube means 2 to the power 6, and now 2 to the power 4. If we cancel this, we will get 2 square only. 2 square. So number will become 2 square by 5 cube. Now no need to divide, just we have to know 5 or 2, whatever it may be, what is the highest power? The power of 5 is 3 and it will terminate after 3 decimal places. Suppose if we cannot cancel the highest power, whatever, either 2 or 5, highest power is 4. Suppose in place of 4 cube, if I put 1 by 2 to the power 4 into 5 cube, then it will terminate after 4 places because highest power is 4. Highest power is 4. That means power of 2 or 5, whichever is higher, that power will give you the decimal places after which the fraction will terminate. যদি ইয়াত 1 থাকিলে হেতেন 1 by 2 to the power 4 into 5 cube, obviously আমি answer to হল হেতেন B 4 because 4 is the highest power. But for this number, first we have to notice that whether cancellation can be done or not. আমি যদি cancel কৰিব পাৰো তেতিয়াহলে cancel কৰাৰ পিছত highest power কিমান আছে? 2 power to complete নাইকিয়া হৈ গল denominator. So denominator highest power 5 ore আছে আৰু 5 or highest power to হৈছে 3. So it will terminate after 3 decimal places. Maximum numbers of students wrote option B by observing this 4. But this is not the correct answer. Correct answer is option A 3. Next question, it is a very simple one. If I ask a student of class 5, 6, 7, etc., so they also can say easily that for an integer n, if it is odd, then what is the form? For some integer n, the odd integer is represented in the form of, what is the form of? An odd integer. So n cannot be, because n means, n is an integer, I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, n plus 1, n plus 1. So suppose 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, sometimes it will be odd, sometimes it will be even. Twice n, it is always an even form. 2 into an integer, always we will get even integer. So correct option is twice n plus 1. If we put n any integer, say 2 into 5 plus 1, it will become odd. Say 2 into 7 plus 1, it will become odd. Say 2 into 100 plus 1, it will become, 200, it will become 201, odd. This way, this form is always odd. If I put n even or odd any number, so you will get odd numbers. So odd integer is of the form twice n plus 1. We can say 4n plus 1, also 4n plus 1 sometimes. Sometimes 6n plus 1. 6n plus 1 is also a form. 4n plus 1 is also a form of odd numbers. But 3n plus 1, not odd, not even. Sometimes odd, sometimes even. কোনো অখণ্ড সংখ্যা n ৰ বাবে অযুগ্ম সংখ্যাৰ আৰ্হিটো হ'ল 2n plus 1. Okay? Next question. I want to go for the next question. তলৰ কোনটো পৰিমেয় সংখ্যা নহয়? তলৰ কোনটো পৰিমেয় সংখ্যা নহয়? ক্লাস 9 তো এটো কুৱেশ্যন আহে, ক্লাস 10 তো আহিছে। তলৰ কোনটো অপৰিমেয় সংখ্যা নহয়? Okay. Not irrational. নহয়. Negative sense. Observe the question carefully. Sometimes which of the following is irrational? Sometimes a question comes like that. But sometimes which of the following is not irrational, not rational? So in negative sense, always read the question carefully. তলৰ কোনটো অপৰিমেয় সংখ্যা নহয়? That means আমি পৰিমেয় সংখ্যাটো বিচাৰিব লাগে, অপৰিমেয় হ'ব নালাগে. So this one is an irrational number because square root of 3. We cannot break square root of 3 because 3 to পূৰ্ণবৰ্গ সংখ্যা নহয় আৰু ইয়াৰ বৰ্গমূল ললে আমি সদায় অপৰিমেয় পাম. That means square root of 3. 3 is not a perfect square number, so this number is always irrational, and sum of an irrational with any other rational number, so we will get always irrational. This is also irrational for root 3. 3 minus root 3. We cannot remove the square root. Again, we cannot remove the square root of 3 root 3. Product of one irrational and one rational number. Product of one rational and one irrational, always irrational. But apart from 0, if we multiply 0 with an irrational number, it will become irrational. That is different. Now this one, last one. This is by using one identity. A plus b into a minus b. That means 3 square minus root 3 square. And it will become 9 minus 3 and 6. So this 6 is a rational number and right option is D. So which one of the following is not irrational? তলৰ কোনটো অপৰিমেয় সংখ্যা নহয়? 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 এটো অপৰিমেয় সংখ্যা নহয়, কিয়নো এটো আমি সিম্পলিফাই কৰিলে এটা পৰিমেয় সংখ্যা পাম, that is 6. Next question. দুটা অপরিমেয় সংখ্যাৰ পূৰণফল, দুটা অপরিমেয় সংখ্যাৰ পূৰণফল দুইটাই যদি অপরিমেয় সংখ্যা হয়, the multiplication of two irrational numbers. Suppose মই eta irrational number lolo root over 2, irrational number. And if I multiply root over 3, another irrational number, root 2 and root 3, it will become root 6. Again, root 6 is an irrational number. But in some cases, suppose I am taking root over 2 and another irrational number also root over 2. So it will become 2. Then it is rational. So ami eta kotha janibo lagibo duta irrational number multiply korile irrational u ahe rational u ahe ketiaba rational ho jabo tar square root uthi jabo etu nohoy je homan number hobo lagibo homan number noholo hobo homan number noholeu root to equal number noholo hobo 2 root over 3 into 3 root over 3 এটা into কইলো rational form. Suppose root over 12 into root over 27. I am writing same numbers. 2 root 3 means root over 12. And 3 root 3, that is root over 27. So it is a belek irrational number, root over 12 and root over 27. So product of these two is rational because square root will remove. So sometimes we will get irrational and sometimes we will get rational. So which one is correct? The multiplication of two irrational numbers is irrational, not correct, not always true. Then multiplication of irrational numbers, rational numbers, not always true. Number C may be rational or irrational. So this is the right answer. Option C is correct. Next. Okay. The least number that is divisible by all the natural numbers from 1 to 5. Ekor pora 5 লৈ সকলো স্বাভাৱিক সংখ্যাত এটো আসামিজ তো অলপ রং আছে আসামিজ তো অলপ রং আছে সো মেট্ৰিকত জেনেকে কুৱেশ্যন আহে কেতিয়াবা আমি তেনেকেই টাইপ কৰো এবাৰ দেখিছো মেট্ৰিকৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰটো অসমীয়াটো অলপ as it is হোৱা নাই আৰু কিছুমান কিতাপত অসমীয়াটো মাজে মাজে ভুল ওলায় একৰ পৰা 5 লৈ থকা সকলো স্বাভাৱিক সংখ্যাত ইছলতে সংখ্যাত নহয় একৰ পৰা 5 লৈ সকলো স্বাভাৱিক সংখ্যাৰে সকলো স্বাভাৱিক সংখ্যাৰে একৰ পৰা একৰ পৰা 5 লৈ সকলো স্বাভাৱিক সংখ্যাৰে হৰণ যোৱা ক্ষুদ্ৰতম সংখ্যাটো that means the least number that is divisible by all the natural numbers from 1 to 5 আচ্ছা 1 ৰ পৰা 5 লৈ কিমান natural numbers আছে 1 2 3 4 5 পাঁচটা natural numbers আছে একৰ পৰা 5 লৈ 1 to 5 এই পাঁচটা নম্বৰে ডিভিজিবল হোৱা লিস্ট নম্বৰ আটাইতকৈ ক্ষুদ্ৰতম সংখ্যা আমি এটা বস্তু জানিব লাগিব এটাতকৈ বেছি যদি দুটা সংখ্যাৰেও যদি এটা সেম নম্বৰক ডিভিজিবল হ'ব লাগে তেতিয়া নম্বৰটোত আমি এলসিএম উলিয়াব লাগিব আৰু যদি কয় দুটা নম্বৰক সেম একেটা নম্বৰে ডিভিজিবল হ'ব লাগে তেতিয়া আমি এইচএফ উলিয়াব লাগে সো a number a least number which is divisible by 1 2 3 4 5 that will be the LCM of these five numbers 1 2 3 4 5 so ami লসাগু উলিয়াব লাগিব যেতিয়া কেইটামান নম্বৰে একেটা সেম সংখ্যা ডিভিজিবল হ'ব লাগে বিভাজ্য হ'ব লাগে তেতিয়া আমি সেই সংখ্যা কেইটাৰ লসাগু বা এলসিয়াম উলিয়াম so what is the LCM of 2 3 4 5 okay 1 is not required 2 3 4 5 so only 2 no we cannot divide now 3 2 5 these three numbers are not divisible by the same number. So these are the factors. 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 5. 6, 12, 60. 60. So right answer is 60. The least number that is divisible by the natural numbers from 1 to 5. ekor pora 5 লৈ প্ৰত্যেকটো সংখ্যাৰে হৰণ যোৱা বা বিভাজ্য হোৱা আসলতে এটো ডিভিজিবল তো হৰণ নহয় বিভাজ্য ekor পৰা 5 লৈ থকা সকলো সংখ্যাৰে বিভাজ্য হোৱা ক্ষুদ্ৰতম সংখ্যাটো হ'ব 60 okay next question already I have discussed one question of this type which came in SSLC this year that means 2023 2023 sonot মানে এবাৰ সেবাৰ আন্ডাৰত SSLC পৰীক্ষাত এনেকুৱা এটা কোৱেশ্চন আহি গৈছে এই কোৱেশ্চনটো অলপ ডিফাৰেন্স আছে ইয়াত কেনসেল না যায় 147 by 3 into 5 square ইয়াত 5 এ কেনসেল না যায় 3 to cancel যাব otherwise it 3 to ইয়াত থাকিবলৈ হলে আমি এটো টাৰ্মিনেটিং ডেসিমেল নোলায় if we cannot cancel 3 from here then it will not be a terminating decimal so first we have to cancel 147 3 into 5 square. So 3, 4, 9. 49 by 5 square. 49 by 5 square. So what is the highest power of the denominator? That means after factorization of the denominator, the factor should be either 2 or 5. And between these two factors, the power of 2 or power of 5, whichever is higher, that will give the number of decimal places after which the decimal expansion will terminate. So now power is 2, only 5 is there, no other factors. Power is 2, so it will terminate after 2 places. It will terminate after 2 places. Okay. এই সংখ্যাটো এই ভগ্নাংশটো যেতিয়া আমি দশমিকত প্ৰকাশ কৰিলে কিমানটা স্থানৰ পিছত এই হেক হ'ব দুটা স্থানৰ পিছত হেক হ'ব because 3 will cancel and power of 5 is 2 so দুটা দশমিক স্থানৰ পিছত ই টাৰ্মিনেট হ'ব next question for any two positive integers a and b HCF of AB LCM of AB so very simple HCF or LCM product of two numbers সদায় দুটা সংখ্যাৰ পূৰণফল যিমান হয় সংখ্যা দুটাৰ HCF LCM ৰ পূৰণফল হিমানেই হয় কিন্তু এইটো অকল দুটা নম্বৰৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতে হ'ব তিনিটা নম্বৰ যেতিয়া আমি লম তিনিটা নম্বৰৰ HCF LCM যদি আমি পূৰণ কৰি দিও প্ৰডাক্ট বিচাৰো তেতিয়া প্ৰডাক্ট অফ থ্ৰী নাম্বাৰস সেম নহয় এইটো অকল দুটা নম্বৰৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতে প্ৰযোজ্য হ'ব So HCF of any two numbers into LCM of that two numbers is equal to product of those numbers. So here it is given HCF AB, LCM AB. So obviously it is A into B. So where is AB? A into B, option D, AB. Okay, same type of question. This question is almost same. যিবিলাকে ষ্টুডেণ্টে কনসেপ্টটো জানে তেওঁলোকে এনেকুৱা কুৱেশ্যন নতুনকে পালেও কৰিব পাৰিব। এইটো নহয় যে কুৱেশ্যনটো ঘৰত কৰি যাব লাগিব, কমন আহিব লাগিব, এনেকুৱা কথা নাথাকে। তো সদায় এমসিকিউ মাল্টিপল চয়েস কুৱেশ্যনছ দুটা ওয়ে থাকে। এটা হল ফার্স্ট ওয়ে টু হল কনসেপ্ট। If you have concept, then obviously you can do MCQ. And if you have no concepts regarding any topic, কিবা এটা বিষয়ৰ ওপৰত suppose কনসেপচনটো নাই, তেতিয়া অল্টাৰনেটিভ ওয়ে কি আছে? এটাই আছে অল্টাৰনেটিভ ওয়ে। সব বন্ধ কৰিব লাগিব, পেনটো ওপৰৰ পৰা পেলাই দিব লাগিব কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ ওপৰত। যিটো অপশনৰ ওচৰত পৰিব শৰ্টেষ্ট ডিসটেন্স যালৈ হ'ব যিটো অপশনলৈ, সেই অপশনটোৱে কারেক্ট হ'ব। সো আমি ইয়াত যদি আমি এই কুৱেশ্যনটো পার্টিকুলার কুৱেশ্যনটো যদি কৰিব নাজানো, আমি এইটো কুৱেশ্যনৰ হে যদি সেকেন্ড ওয়েটো এপ্লাই কৰো যত পৰিব, সাপোজ পেনটো আহি নাম্বার 6 পৰিলে, তেতিয়া সিটোৱে আমি আনসার লিখিম। কেতিয়াবা শুদ্ধ হ'ব, কেতিয়াবা নহ'ব। ওকে, যদি গসাগু x 18 equals 6, that means numbers are given x and 18. Here also logagu x and 18. That means HCF x and 18, LCM x and 18. So what are the numbers? X and 18. HCF x and 18 6, LCM x and 18 36. So x and 18 are the numbers, and what is their HCF 6. Now this relation HCF into LCM equal product of two numbers. Now what is HCF 6 of x and 18? These two numbers. And what is LCM? 36. And what is product of two numbers? X into 18. So x into 18. So what is x? X equal 6 into 36 by 18. 18 2 6 are 12. So what is the answer? Actually, my assumption was correct. The second alternative way, if I drop the pen from the top, then if it falls on C, that will be the correct option. So first when I showed that, actually I pointed to option number C. Now it is a correct option. C is the right answer. What is the value of x? Value of x is 12. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, HCF, LCM, concept of HCF and LCM. How to find HCF and LCM? Already factorization is given. One number is given 2 cube into 3 square. Other one is given 2 cube into 3 cube. Very simple. When we have to find the HCF of these types of numbers, or any number if we factorize in this way, then how to find HCF? We have to take the common factors and lowest power. And to find the LCM, we have to see all the factors and highest power. So only here factors are 2 and 3. So what is the highest power of 2? 3. Both are same in both the cases. And what is the highest power of 3? That is also 3. So the LCM will be 2 cube into 3 cube. 2 cube into 3 cube. Because here power is 2, here 3. We have to take the higher one. So 2 cube into 3 cube, this is the answer. Suppose we have to find the ACF of these two numbers. 2 cube into 3 square, 2 cube into 3 cube. Then we have to take the power, which is the least power of common factors. 2 common. Least power. Here, in this case, both are same, 3 and 3. So, 2 cube and 3, the power is, least power is 2. So, if we have to find ACF, then this will be the ACF. And LCM, this will be the LCM. In this question, you have to find LCM. So, first one is correct. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next. যদি m এটা মৌলিক সংখ্যা হয় তেন্তে root m হল m এটা মৌলিক সংখ্যা বুলি কলে ইংৰাজীত কোৱা যায় prime number. If m is a prime number, so what are prime numbers? Those numbers which have factors only 2, 1 and the number itself, they are called prime numbers. So 2 is a prime number. Just a minute. Just 1 minute. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5, 7, 11. These are prime numbers. Only factors 1 and the number itself. Suppose 11. 1 into 11 only. For 7. 1 into 7 only. So these type of prime numbers, prime numbers are not perfect squares. Prime numbers are not perfect square. And square root of imperfect square numbers. Imperfect square numbers. This always irrational. Square root of imperfect square numbers are always irrational, and prime numbers are always imperfect squares. So, this form, root over m, in this form, root over m, always we will get an irrational number. This one is the correct option. We cannot find a rational number because to get a rational number, square root of a number which is rational, we have to put one perfect square number. That means square root of a perfect square number is rational. A coprime number. Coprime is a pair of numbers, not one number. You can say coprime. And last option, none of the above. That was the last option. So first one is correct. m এটা মৌলিক সংখ্যা হলে root m সদায় অপরিমেয় সংখ্যা হ'ব পরিমেয় নহয় সহমৌলিকটো হবই নোৱাৰে কাৰণ দুটা নাম্বাৰ পেয়াৰ হলে আমি সহমৌলিক সংখ্যা পাম আৰু লাষ্ট অপশনটো none of the above ওপৰ এটা ন okay so this was the last question of today's class and I cannot say that this is the last question for that chapter. I will come with some more MCQs and very short answer questions in the next class. So, at last I want to mention, if you have learned anything from this video, then hit the like button, share among your friends, and subscribe the channel NJP Coaching. Also, to get the notification of this type of classes, this type of videos, do not forget to hit the bell icon. Okay? Thank you.